morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the class? I hope everyone is ready with the science class of notebook, isn't it? But today, teacher is not going to give you the notes, but I have to start the lesson explanation, okay? So, for after today's lesson explanation, then I will give the notes for you. First, listen my class, okay? So, which lesson we have started yesterday? Lesson number 6, okay? Know your body, okay? What is the lesson name? Know your body. And yesterday I had taught you about that human body parts, isn't it? And I had shown the body parts. I explained you. Other than that, head, eyes, nose. Other than that, what are the extra body parts I had shown you? Abdomen, stomach, thighs, wrist, arms, isn't it? So many different parts we had learnt yesterday. And I had explained about the hand. What are the sections we have in the hands? Now, today again I will recap from hands, and I had drawn the picture on the board and about the leg, hands and wrist, okay? So, how our legs, what are the sections we have in the hand part and in our leg parts, okay? So, simple, you should not say it's a hand, okay? It is a leg, okay? Hands, legs are there, but what are in our hands, what do you have? Fingers are there. Wrist is there. Where you used to watch, you will tie the watch, isn't it? You used to wear the watch, isn't it? When you will wear the watch, where will you wear the watch? You will wear the watch in the elbow? No. Where will you wear? Will you wear here to the wrist bone, isn't it? And what is this section? Palm. Or what are those? Fingers. And this is the elbow. Okay. So I am going to show you with the help of the picture. Okay. So please look at the board, all of you second class children. Look at here, I had drawn the already hand picture, okay? And look at here, the first part, this is the shoulder. What is this? This is the shoulder. And what is this? This is the upper arm. What is that? This is the upper arm. The next below is lower arm. This is the elbow. And this section is called the wrist bone, okay? See, what are the sections are there? Shoulder, upper arm, lower arm, elbow, wrist. Okay. Spell the word of shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Upper arm. U-P-P-E-R-A-R-M. Upper arm. And what is the spell the word of wrist? W-R-I-S-T. Wrist. Elbow. Okay. Elbow. E is a silent letter. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Okay. Now here lower arm. L-O-W-E-R-A-R-M. Lower arm. So what are the parts you have seen in the hands? Shoulder, upper arm, lower arm, elbow, wrist. So we had completed. Now let me start about the leg. See, this complete section, what do you say? Leg. Okay. So leg help us to what? Walk, run, jump, isn't it? Without leg, can you able to walk? No, teacher. Okay. This section, the complete section is called the leg. Now, in leg, what are the sections we have? What are the parts we have? Do we have calf? The back side of your leg. This section is called the calf. Look at the bending section at the back side. Okay. Look at this. This is the ankle. And this section is foot. This is the heel. Okay. This is the heel. And the bottom of your leg is sole. This bending part is knee. Is it clear now? See how many, what are they? Thigh. What is this section? The upper part is called the thigh. Okay. Now listen here. Come on, say thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, heel, sole, toes. Here you should not say finger. What you should have to say? Toe. T-O-E. This is here you can see this toes. You should not say finger. Finger you should have to use a word for only in the hands. In your leg part you have to say toe. Okay. Now listen here. Once again. Thigh, calf, ankle, foot, heel, sole, toes, knee. So this complete section is called what? Leg. Okay, the complete part is called a leg. In this leg part, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sections are there. Okay, see how many are there in leg? 8. Okay, so you have to thorough with the spell the words of ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Calf, C-A-L-F. Thigh, T-H-I-G-H, thigh. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Heel, H-E-E-L. This bending part is called the heel. Okay. Sole, bottom of your leg. S-O-L-E, sole. Is it clear? See how teacher had drawn the picture? Because you should have to understand. Okay. Without picture, if I explain, you can't understand. Isn't it? So, with the help of this picture, you will understand very easily. Okay. Now, come on children. Now, here I had drawn here about the one more picture about the hand. Look at here. This is finger is called what? Thumb. Okay. This is called thumb. Thumb finger. And here you can see the lines in mid of the hand. In mid of your hands, you can see. See, look at your palms. All of you open your hands. Look at the lines. You can see the lines in your palm, isn't it? So this is helpful for what? Bending purpose. It is useful for what? Bending purpose. Okay. Now here you can see the lines in your fingers. Have you observed the lines in your fingers? See, look at the lines are there, isn't it? In the mid of the palm also lines are there. Here also lines. So this this palm is helping to what? For the bending purpose. This line is helping for you what? For the bending purpose. Okay. Now the next one. Here you can say this section is called fingers, and this is the wrist, and mid section is palm, and this is the thumb finger. Okay. Now tell me, this hand is helpful for what purpose? In which way it is helpful for your hands? Only for writing and eating purpose? No, teacher. It can be help in other purpose, other ways also. Yes. What is that, children? Can you tell me? Yes. What are the way? In which way it is helpful for us? Hands are helpful for to hold. టు హోల్డ్ అంటే ఏంటి? పట్టుకోవడానికి. ఓకే, ఏదైనా థింగ్స్ ఉంటే మీరు ఎలా పట్టుకుంటారు? కాళ్ళతోటి పట్టుకుంటారా? కాదు కదా, హ్యాండ్స్ తోటి పట్టుకోవడం. ఆ పట్టుకోవడం పేరేంటి? హోల్డ్. ఓకే, నౌ లుక్ అట్ హియర్. The hand is what? This is he wants to hold what? Ball. Here squeeze. You take the lemon. నిమ్మకాయ తీసుకోండి. నిమ్మకాయ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు? జ్యూస్ తీయడం అంటే ఇట్లా స్క్వీజ్ చేస్తారా లేదా? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్క్వీజ్. ఓకే, టచ్. You can touch the board. You can touch yourself. That is called touch. Okay, that is all what? How the hands are helpful to you all. And the next one is, another one is pick. Now if I throw chalks on the floor, okay, then how I should have to pick? I have to bend, then I will pick the chalk and I will write on the board, isn't it? Now if suppose books had fallen in the ground, when it fallen on the ground, what will you do? You will pick up the books from the floor, isn't it? So that is called pick. Okay, hold is different, pick is different, and squeeze is different, touch is different words. Okay, so you have understand. Now look at here. You can bend your hand. You can bend your hand where lines are seen in your palm. Now try it over. You also can try. Okay. The next one, this bending part is called help us to pick up and use the things with our hands. Look at the pictures, all of you, below, and see what the thumb can do. This thumb is helpful for what? To pick, to touch, to squeeze, isn't it? See how many different ways it is helping us. Now this thumb is very important. Without thumb you can't do anything. Can you able to pick up like this with the 4 fingers? No. Your thumb is helping to pick anything. To touch, if you want touch, immediately your thumb is helping to touch anything. Okay. Squeeze. For to squeeze, this 4 fingers is enough for you to squeeze? No. Thumb finger is also needed for to squeeze, isn't it? So, whereas all together what? In our 5 fingers, in our hands, how many fingers are there? Now in one hand, I am not asking about the 2 hands. In one hand, how many fingers are there? 5 fingers. Among 5 fingers, which finger is very helpful here? Thumb. Without thumb finger, you cannot do anything. Thumb lekunda edana vastunda meeku pindadam itla vastunda? Nimmakai pindamante pindadam vastunda 4 fingers toti? Raadu kada? Okay. Meeku edana suppose kinda padipayindi, mee things kinda padipayindi, atla ela teeskuntaru? 4 fingers ila pattukuntara? Kaadu kada? బుక్స్ని మనం ఇలా పట్టుకుంటాం, బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది. హౌ? థమ్ ఫింగర్ ఇస్ హెల్పింగ్ అస్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అవర్ థమ్ ఇస్ వెరీ important part of our hand. It helps us in many things. You can paint a brush, a screwdriver, a pair of scissors on a sewing needle with your hand, isn't it? So if you take the scissor, కత్రి తీసుకొని పేపర్ కటింగ్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఉట్టి ఈ 2 ఫింగర్స్ వేస్తారా? కాదు కదా. మనం కటింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు మన ఫింగర్స్, ఈ థమ్ ఫింగర్ కూడా మనకి సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద నిడిల్ అండ్ థ్రెడ్? యూ టేక్ వన్ నిడిల్, ఒక సూది తీసుకోండి, దారం తీసుకొని మీరు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ మీకు ఏది హెల్ప్ఫుల్ కావాలి? థమ్ పట్టుకోవడం. ఇలా పట్టుకోవడం వస్తుందా నిడిల్? కాదు, ఇలా పట్టుకుంటారు. ఇలా సూదిని పట్టుకొని దారాన్ని ఇలా వేస్తారు, అవునా కదా? Okay, so all together I am again once again telling you, in our hands which finger is very important? Thumb finger. Thumb is a very important finger, whereas it is helpful in many different ways. Okay children, the next one is we are different. Now though we all have the some body parts, all do not look at the same. Yes, we have different body parts, isn't it children? మనకి బాడీలో పార్ట్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంది. అన్నీ ఒక్కటే రకాలు ఉందా? కళ్ళలాగా ముక్కు ఉందా? ముక్కలాగా చెవు ఉందా? కాదు కదా. అన్నీ ఐ థింక్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఈస్ లాఫింగ్. నో, ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్. నో, ఆల్ ఆర్ different body parts. They are different. Look at the picture of eye. With this shape is different, your eye shape is different, your mouth and nose, all body parts are in different shape and size. Okay, now next one. Now our height, weight, hair and eye color also different from each other. Some children, some people hair color will be black, some people hair will be brown and white color. Even eye colors also different. You know that children? Okay, కళ్ళు కలర్ బ్లాక్ ఉంటుంది, కొంతమంది బ్రౌనిష్ కలర్గా ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. మీరు కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు అద్దంలో ఎలా ఉంది, మన బ్లాక్ కలర్ ఉందా, బ్రౌనిష్గా ఉందా, మీరు చూడవచ్చు. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్, now people are also called humans. No, we are all people, isn't it? So what is another name for people? Humans. We are all what? Humans. Okay, so humans have 2 genders. What are the 2 genders? Male and female. Genders, humans. We are the humans. చెప్పాను. ఓకే, మనం అందరం మనుషుల్లో 2 రకాలు ఉన్నారు. అదేంటి? ఎస్, ఒకటి బాయ్ గర్ల్ అంటామా మనము. టీచర్ హీ ఈజ్ ఎ బాయ్, షీ ఈజ్ ఎ గర్ల్ అంటామా. హీ అంటే బాయ్, షీ అంటే గర్ల్, అవునా? దానికి ఏమనాలి? జెండర్స్ అనాలి. బాయ్ గర్ల్కి ఏమనాలి? జెండర్స్. సో హ్యూమన్ ఈజ్ ఎ పీపుల్ ఈజ్ ఎ వాట్? హ్యూమన్. పీపుల్కి ఏమనాలి? హ్యూమన్ అని అంటాం. ఓకే, సో ఆ హ్యూమన్లో, ఆ పీపుల్లో 2 రకాలు ఉన్నారు. అది ఎవరు? ఒక బాయ్, ఒక గర్ల్. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ జెండర్. దానికి ఏమనాలి? జెండర్. ఓకే, ద జెండర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మ్యాన్ ఈస్ ఎ మేల్, ద జెండర్ ఆఫ్ ఎ విమెన్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫీమేల్. అంతే కదా. బాయ్కి ఏమనాలి? మేల్. గర్ల్కి ఏమనాలి? ఫీమేల్. ఓకే, మ్యాన్, విమెన్, బాయ్, గర్ల్, మేల్, ఫీమేల్. గాట్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? సో బాయ్, మ్యాన్, మేల్. ఎన్ని రకాలు ఉంది చూసారా? బాయ్స్కి పేరు బాయ్ అనొచ్చు, మేల్ అంటాము, ఇంకోటి ఏంటి? మ్యాన్. ఓకే, ఓకే, బట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద గర్ల్? గర్ల్, ఫీమేల్ and women. Okay, so 3 names are there, different way. Okay, the next one is the gender of a man is over. The next one is, now you have to do the different picture and you can observe that in human body we have different parts. Okay, fine. Okay, now you tell me the color of the hair, the color of eye is same in all humans? No teacher. Some people have black color, hair color, some people hair color is white color, some people hair color is brownish color, isn't it? So like that, not only in hair color, even eyes also you can observe. Some people have the cat eyes. Okay, పిల్లి కళ్ళు చూసారా ఎలా ఉంటుంది? అలా కొంతమందికి ఉంటుంది, చూడడానికి చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ సమ్ పీపుల్లో వెరీ రేర్ టు సీ, బ్లూ కలర్గా ఉంటుంది ఐస్. ఓకే, లైక్ డాల్ అలాగా, బొమ్మలకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది బ్లూ కలర్ చూసారా? అలా ఉంటుంది. కొంతమందికి ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీరు అందరు బ్లాకే చూడవచ్చు అండ్ బ్రౌనిష్ కలర్ ఐస్ కలర్. ఓకే, యూ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ద కలర్స్. యూఆర్ వెరీ స్మాల్ చిల్డ్రన్, but you try to observe. Okay, different colors of hair, different color of eyes. Okay, so you have to do this all this observation. Next one, and size, big, small, height, tall, short and medium. ఓకే, ఎంత పొడుగున్నారు వాళ్ళు అందరూ ఒకటే రాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. సైజ్ హైట్ కాదు, ఒకరు చాలా లావుగా ఉంటారు, చాలా బక్కగా ఉంటారు, సన్నగా ఉంటారు. ఇంకా ఏంటి, హైట్ పొడుగా ఉండడము, మళ్ళీ పొట్టిగా ఉండడము, టాల్గా ఉంటారు, షార్ట్గా ఉంటారు అండ్ ఫ్యాట్గా ఉంటారు, థిన్గా కూడా ఉండవచ్చు. సో ఆల్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. దట్ ఆల్సో యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ ద మేల్. బాయ్ ఎలా ఉన్నాడు, ఫ్యాట్గా ఉన్నాడా, ఓకే, వాడు ఎలా ఉన్నాడు, థిన్గా ఉన్నాడా, వాడి హెయిర్ కలర్ ఎలా ఉంది, బ్లాక్ కలర్, వాట్ అబౌట్ ఇస్ ఐ కలర్, బ్రౌన్ కలర్. ఇట్లా ఒక 5 హ్యూమన్స్ది, ఒక 5 పీపుల్ది మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి రాయండి. రఫ్ బుక్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఇట్లా ఎనీ 5 హ్యూమన్స్. ఓకే, మీకు ఎవరు కనిపిస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళ పేరు రాయండి. బాయ్ కనిపిస్తే బాయ్ హెయిర్ కలర్ ఎలా ఉంది చూసుకోండి, వాడి కళ్ళు ఎలా ఏ కలర్లో ఉంది అలా చూసుకొని మీరు ట్రై చేయండి రాయడానికి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, is it clear now? So this lesson is completed. Tomorrow again I will explain you recap. I'll do the recap session, then I will give the notes. Is it clear children now about hands, leg part? And here I had shown the not at the back of your hands, this is the front portion of the hand. Okay, and here how the hands are helpful to us. So in our hand, which finger is helping us a lot? Thumb finger, isn't it? So these all what we had learned, which lesson we had learned? Yes, that is know your body. What is this? This is not put and help for you. This is know your body. Okay children, the name of the lesson is know your body. This lesson name. Is it clear children now? Is it clear? So lesson number name is know your body. Lesson number 6. So we had learned about the hand, leg, the front portion of the hand and how the thumb is helpful to us. So this lesson is very important. If you listen this class, you will understand. So understand the name of the lesson and draw the pictures if possible and do the practice of this parts of the hands and legs and about the thumb. Okay children, thank you children. Tomorrow I will take down the next session class. Okay, thank you.